How to find sound ID on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Create at the top. After you click on Create at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, on the left side, click on Store. After you click on Store on the left side, it will lead you to this page. Here, click on Audio at the top. After you click on Audio at the top, it will lead you to this page. Simply scroll down and you'll find all the audios. Now, on the right side, click on the arrow and expand the audio you want ID off and click on More Info. After you click on More Info, click on Copy Asset ID. After you do that, you will find it in your clipboard. You can click on Ctrl+V and paste the sound ID wherever you want. This is how to find sound ID on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.